Hello everyone! Can you guess what we're making today on Life of Pang? Did you guess pumpkin bread? That's right, pumpkin bread with fresh pumpkin. I'm lucky that my local grocery store actually sells fresh steamed pumpkins, so I don't have to heat up my house. But if you have fresh raw pumpkin, I would highly recommend steaming them instead of boiling them. And you don't need fancy equipment for this, just use a big spoon and smash it down until it's smooth. Then use a hand whisk and just whisk it a little bit more. If you like your pumpkin bread a little bit more dry, then I would recommend 1 cup. But I do like mine a little bit more dense and wet and moist, so I'm gonna do 1 1/4 cup. Now it's time for our first cook. For those of you new to baking a rice cooker, it is important for you to know a couple of things. First of all, the rice cooker is going to stay in this cook state for only 5 minutes, and then it's going to go into this warm state. And the reason it does that is because when you're cooking rice, if you're used to cooking rice in your electric rice cooker, you put a lot of water in. It's usually about 1 inch or 2 of water above the rice. Now we're baking, and so the mixture does not have a lot of liquid, so the rice cooker has to cool down a bit, and that's when it goes into this warm state. And this is where you'll have to remember to come back and push that cook button again. Usually I leave it in this warm state for about 30 minutes and then come back and push the cook button. However, I always forget to come back. So I set a timer on my phone, and when the timer goes off, I just come back and push that button. While your rice cooker is in this warm state, try not to open the lid very often because you want to keep that hot air in there so that it continues to cook and bake your cake. So I usually don't check until the 2nd or 3rd cycle, and that's a good time to just check to see if your cake is done. And it's after our 2nd bake cycle, so let's see how it's doing. Oh, look at that. My chopstick is coming out clean. That means we're done baking. Go ahead and cool it for about 30 minutes. let's cut into this pumpkin bread. It feels really moist and dense. And oh, so delicious. If you love pumpkin, you have to make this one. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you know when I upload new videos. Also, I would really appreciate it if you share my videos and channel with your friends and families and ask them to subscribe as well. But until next time, have a wonderful day.